That goes down all the way now. But see how long this handle is here on the back? I think I can get that adjusted. I don't like it all the way up that high because it's pretty flimsy. If somebody hits that, they could put a little bend in it, and I've seen that happen. And then somebody tries to fix this and bend it again, and then you get a zoop zoop, and then every time you push this down, it goes doo-doo, and then you pull it up, doo-doo. Yeah, that's how it sounds. Yeah. Well, it's holding water now. Okay, so I know that part is fixed, but I just don't like this handle, this arm being that far. So I'm going to adjust that, and I look down there, and let's see if you can see that. Let's get you tilted in there. This handle right here where this thumb turn is, I just have to adjust that, then I'm going to slide the handle, the rod down further, and I'll do a trial and error. And here's a tip for you. When you undo those thumb turns, be real careful as you tighten it back up. You just want to make it snug. You don't want to over tighten it, because you might think I'm tightening it, and I'm tightening it, and you're actually twisting the head off until the head breaks off or it gets loose. You think, uh-oh, and then you try to loosen it up, and then it snaps off. Now you're in a pickle because that last little bit of thread is stuck in there. You know what I mean? And that's not going to be a good thing. You know why I know that? Because I've done it before. Now, how far can I adjust this? Obviously, see, when this is up, see how far it is? When I push it down, it's got to be pushed down all the way so that the little pop-up valve, I call that, pops up in the right position, okay? So now that it's down, this could go down further, but I don't want it down so tight where you have to kind of fish down in there and kind of pull it up with your fingernails or something, with the tips of your fingers, okay? So I can go down, you know, maybe an inch or so, then at least it's not going to be up so high. I mean, I could leave it like that, but I have a tendency to like things a little bit lower than that, okay? So I'm going to lower it down about an inch. Okay, see, now I've got to push down all the way. See how it's closer there now? When I pull it up, that's tight, and that's tight down in the bowl. And that's what I want. I don't like this thing sticking up so far that somebody can bend it out of shape or something. This looks more natural when it's closed. Before, it was closed like that, and it almost seemed like, hey, is that closed or not? You know? Or opened. Opened is all the way down. Pulling that is all the way shut for the water. Okay. Hope you learned something.